Dear students, today let us discuss the last question of your textbook 9th Science, and the unit is Nature Resources at page number 237. Dear students, the question says, what are the methods of preventing or reducing soil erosion? Dear students, I may remind you that soil is actually the powdered rocks and humus. The humus content in the soil decides the soil structure or soil quality. The soil quality depends upon the amount of humus the soil contains. If the soil contains adequate or enough amount of humus, we can say that the soil is of good quality. So to improve the soil quality, we have to improve the humus content in the soil. These the improvement of or to increase the quality of the soil, we can enhance the humus content in the soil by two ways. First is adding natural ingredients to the soil, and the second one is by using fertilizers. Dear students, by using fertilizers for longer periods of time, it is detrimental for the soil. It decreases or reduces soil quality. Dear students, what happens uh, due to continuous use of fertilizers? You must know that it destroys soil useful microorganisms. It kills worms, small worms, especially the earthworms, which make burrows in the soil, which increase the deep aeration of the soil, increases moisture content in the soil, or provides good nutrients to the plants within the soil. So these fertilizers are definitely detriment. They decrease the soil quality and they turn the soil into barren or unfertile. And this barren or unfertile soil, we can't see the proper growth of vegetation in this soil. So this barren or unfertile soil, it becomes dry and loose, and this loose and dry soil is taken away easily by winds or floods, and that phenomenon is known as soil erosion. So the question says here, what are the methods for preventing or reducing the soil erosion? So dear students, let's come now directly to the question. So first is, we have to see here vegetation. When there is uh, not the proper growth of the vegetation in the barren or unfertile land or soil, it becomes dry and loose, and hence soil erosion takes place. So how to promote vegetation? We have to make the plants, herbs, grasses, trees to grow on this barren and fertile land, and the roots of this vegetation, they hold the soil particles firmly, thereby preventing the soil erosion. So the second point is that we must prevent deforestation. Dear students, trees are being cutted down at a faster rate, due to which the soil that was once holded by the roots of these plants or these trees, now when these trees and plants are being cut down, definitely there are greater chances of soil erosion. So we must prevent, or we must curtail the uh, rate of cutting down of trees. And the third one is, we must stop the use of these fertilizers. We must curtail or limit the use of fertilizers and pesticides. हमें फर्टिलाइजर्स और पेस्टिसाइड्स का यूज कम करना होगा, बिल्कुल लिमिटेड यूज करना होगा, क्योंकि ये जो फर्टिलाइजर्स या पेस्टिसाइड्स है, दे किल इंपॉर्टेंट सॉइल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, और ये इंपॉर्टेंट सॉइल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स ये ह्यूमस कंटेंट सॉइल में इंक्रीज करते हैं, और दे help in nutrient recycling, and they increase the moisture content, aeration of the soil. So हमें इन fertilizers और pesticides को भी कम करना होगा. और fourth point is, we must encourage the use of natural gradients like biofertilizers, biocomposites, and bio waste to increase the humus to make the soil of good quality. So dear students, I hope that you have got this question. With this question we have completed all the questions which are on page number 237 of your textbook. Thanks for watching this class.